guys! Ngayon kakain ako ng Indonesian food. Binigay sa akin ng aking friend. At ito yun. Yan ang beef. May meatballs. At saka yung baby kailani. At saka parsley. At saka lemon. At saka noodles. Yan. Vermicelli noodles or kahit anong noodles. At saka yung sambal nila na pinaka-spicy. Yan guys, kain tayo. And lagyan natin ng baby kailani yung noodles guys. Show you later. Saka nalagyan parsley. Saka yung meatballs. Hello, Danny. Tapos ka beef. So, lagyan natin ng sambal sa ibabaw. Kung gusto nila, kasi yung Indonesian, mahilig sila sa spicy. So, ayan. Put some soup. Yan guys, yun ang bakso. It's an Indonesian food. Maanghang siya dahil dyan sa orange na sambal nila. Let's eat guys. Yan guys, napaka-spicy ng chili nila. Ang bakso. Ayan, ito yung meatballs nila. Pwede mo siya lagay dito, guys. Guys, napakasarap ng kanilang meatballs. Masarap talaga pag mainit, saka maanghang. Pinakma mo, yan, dip more. Yan yung chili nila. Tinatawag nila itong sambal. Pag-spicy ng kanilang sambal. Next one. And guys, see you next time. Thank you for watching. Hope you like and subscribe my channel. Bye. Guys, last